Oh, such a GoPro. We're very, very close to the top, and it's part rain and part snow, and it's over there.
Wanna see me fall? Stephen Curry, how I ball.
This is mentally draining. Almost there. Almost there. Views though. It's like every 5 steps you have to take 15 seconds of rest. Oh my god, this is tough. I'm not gonna lie. For an energetic guy like me, this is tough. These smokes. I will be. Oh my god, fam, we did it. Oh, my head hurts like a. Whew. At 5,200 meters. This has been really, really challenging. This is the highest I've ever climbed to date. Oh my god, that's the rain right there. Alright, we're gonna hurry up our descent. It's always the descent that's much easier than the ascent, but it's still, you know, treacherous. Oh hey, there's the Rainbow Mountain behind me. Oh my god, that's the sun! Yes! Ha! All of a sudden I went party people, Kevin. It's because the sun's over there, rains. I don't know if you can see it, but it's gonna rain. Let's go, party people. So party people, so I just woke up 8 hours later after my last clip from the top of Vinicunca. So I'll fill you in with the details.
Hey!
What happened was that the altitude sickness hit me like in full force. Was it fun? Absolutely. Would I highly recommend it? Oh, absolutely. Just not right after you arrived in Cusco. The weather didn't really cooperate. It was a bit unpredictable. You'd come across rain, snow, sun. Just be physically, mentally prepared for when you do this. Was it worth it? Oh, definitely. She actually felt better. What she was when we went to the Moras Maray, that's me right now. I was near incapacitated, so I had to take the horse all the way from the top of the mountain to the base camp. It was rough. When I got to the base camp, I hopped on the van, passed out, went to the hotel, walked into my room, passed out. And yeah, that was pretty much the gap in between. I'm just gonna be resting the entire night since there's not a lot to do. Peace out, party people.